留言。接下来这首歌对我来说，很有意义。这是送给 Golden Stars 的礼物，金色星空送给大家。
In the darkest time of my life, and I didn't know where to go, and I was kind of lost. My fans were the ones who kind of showed me the way, and they brightened my skies. It's actually very touching, and it's why I am here now. Through this song, I wanted people to know that no matter what happens to you, there's always another door opening. So really, you should never give up on yourself.
I'll be thanking you 一直陪着我 Second forever 约定一起走到世界的尽头
We've certainly come a long way, and I hope we still have a long way to go together. I need to thank you.
In the golden sky You're my shining light
Jessica, you are my golden star!